In the name of Allah, the most gracious and merciful. The series of serving humanity continues in the backward areas of District Sangar, Sindh, Pakistan. Come and join hands now with your zakat, sadaqah, and donations to help the helpless, orphans, widows, disabled, and deserving individuals who are struggling. With the cooperation of donors, ration has been donated to families who were facing difficulties in getting even one meal a day. Chicken has been donated to needy families whose children haven't had meat for months. Ration has been donated to helpless widows who have no one to earn and no source of income. Cash has been donated to them for household expenses and education of their children. May Allah accept this service in His court and grant donors good health, complete wellness, and protection from all calamities. Ameen. Let me know if you need any